Hi, Dan Clark in beautiful Bay Indies today, just minutes from those beautiful beaches. Going to be 80 degrees, folks. This is the place to be. In a beautiful 2003 Palm Harbor home today. Got beaches out there, got pools out there. This is where you need to live to be near those. 2003 Palm Harbor, quality built home, beautiful home, 3-2, carport, lanai, shed, close to the pools. This has got everything, folks. It's going to be partially furnished. Just take a look at this. We're going to start over here, go through over here to the dining room area. Got a nice dining room with a double windows here. You'll notice the higher ceilings. AC is in the ceilings, better efficiency. The wood stuff that you see here in the dining room and living room, she has taken. They have purchased a home here in the area, so they will be taking that. Over here on the couches stay, the corner unit stays. But again, this wood grain stuff is stuff that she is taking, and she's got some beautiful artwork on the wall, all those that she will be taking as well. Notice the tray ceilings, big fan, got the triple high windows as well. It's got a shade that comes down, a power shade that comes down to block out those windows. That sun in the afternoon, probably 2-3 o'clock before sunset, 3-4 o'clock, does come in through those windows, but they've got a power shade that drops that so that it doesn't get at the furniture and heat your house up. Nice carpeting, it's all been re-cleaned, nice shape. We're going to go down here to the 2 guest bedrooms. Call this the blue room. She is taking the furniture in this for their guest room at their new house. So this bedroom will be empty. They call this the blue room. Got a nice closet over there as well. Got a palm frond fan. Good sized guest room with a window. Come over here to what she calls the pink room, so we'll call it the pink room. This room stays. The wicker, what you see here, this bedroom will stay. So now, whether the knickknacks, some of the artwork are personal items, obviously family heirlooms, those types of things. Another palm frond fan as well. Another closet here as well. Window looking out. Nice window treatments. Carpeting again is in great shape in the bedrooms. We got the guest bath. That's a combo tub and shower. Tile floors. Nice second guest bathroom. Being a Palm Harbor, they always got these built-ins, little cabinets everywhere. One of the things Palm Harbor is known for. Let's head over here to the master suite. AC is about 8-9 years old, just serviced, in good shape. She is taking her master suite with her, so you will need to pick up a master bedroom. Most people like to get their own beds for hardness, softness, etc. Got a nice closet here as well. Goes down the length here, goes down long here. It's got some built-ins inside there as well. Nice fan here above the bed. Got a nice master bath. Got a nice soaking tub here in the corner. You got double sink, large mirror here. Nice tiled shower, step-in shower here as well. Very nicely done. Very clean. Sheetrock walls. Just a nice home. Just a nice home. Head down to the kitchen. Again, all the carpeting here is in great shape. Head over here to got your main entry door here to your carport outside. Got your kitchen here, good sized kitchen, lots of cabinets, lots of counter space. Got a beautiful pantry here as well. Nice deep pantry there. Deep double sink. Again, lots of nice cabinets. Side-by-side fridge, water, the wine rack, the water thing, they will be taking that with them. Washer and dryer is right here. Inside, extra cabinets there. Newer units. The dishwasher, by the way, is brand new as well. Nice little eat-in dining room here. Eat-in kitchen area, nice, good size. And this is where you'll live. Get the whole house, but this is where you'll live. Got a separate AC unit out here, TV, great to watch the football games, have a cocktail. Just beautiful, guys. Hey, home sweet home right here. I normally don't quote prices on my homes. I'm quoting a price. This can be yours. Everything you see, Mindset Furniture, we talk $74,900. These folks are motivated. They bought a home. Act fast. We've already got a showing set up for this afternoon. So guys, if you're looking for a drop-dead gorgeous, close to the beaches, who wouldn't like this? Dan Clark, My Florida Dreams. Don't miss this one, because I might buy it.